That is a russet.
That's a big potato. That's potatoes right there. Yes, sir. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, hot potato.
I think I like when it rains.
We're back at it again. About to harvest these potatoes in these buckets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We planted Yukon Gold, so let's see if we strike gold. I'm still the assistant. There go Boss Boots over there. We got Baby Boots out here helping too. So we're gonna see what we end up with. Be right back.
What are we cutting?
You're gonna cut the tops. Just cut, get the very bottom and cut all the way to the bottom. Yep.
Cut it?
Yes. Thank you, assistant. Just toss it to the side. We'll collect them and throw them all away. This is how you know when your potatoes are ready to harvest. When they fall over like this, they start to die off, look like they're dying off. That's when you know your potatoes are ready. Hey, boss.
I'll bundle up. These bugs are too thick. I don't know what's wrong with them.
I think we're going to do another round, right? Watch out. Hold on. Okay, so I don't have a tripod, and he's already started pulling one out. I want to get my hands dirty. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Woo, Patty, you strong, girl.
I know, right?
You strong.
Dump it?
Yes, ma'am. My baby's strong. Ooh, potatoes. Okay. We already pulled 2 out. This is the first bucket, y'all.
Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah, the skin will rub off, so be very careful. Hold on, let me help this girl out. Hold on. That is a russet.
That's a big potato. That's potatoes right there. Yes, sir. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, hot potato.
All right, last bucket, y'all. Make it count. So far from the other 7 buckets, got a nice little chunk.
They're gonna fall off.
What's crazy is some of these don't look like Yukon Gold. Some of these look like russets.
Look.
Oh, what
That's
is
a
that?
sweet potato.
Ew, why is it so big?
That's a sweet potato.
Oh dear. You pulling them out, girl. Yes, come on. Nothing gets left behind.
Right, you pull it. Yeah, you got a better pull. Look it. Now come out. Alright.
You got this.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, they're falling. This one has this one. Russet and then an old one. Here, take that one.
Alright, let's dump it over.
Baby Boots, how do you feel with your first potato harvest?
Good?
You feel good?
Yeah.
Thanks for helping.
Told you there was gonna be 10. So it would be 10 in each.
Oh, you guys bet?
He said 10 each.
Yeah, you said it was gonna be 10 in each.
You said there's gonna be 10 total.
Oh.
That's more than 10 total.
Oh. Okay, I can dump it.
Hold on.
Oh, that's a good one.
No.
Is that an old one?
Baby Boots, she did this whole bucket by herself.
Ew.
That's a little one.
Here's your roasted potato.
Oh, there goes. Okay, so let me see that in your hand. See, they don't all. Those ones look like, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with those. I don't.
A roasted potato, mashed potato, and fried.
That's right.
Tater tots.
Okay. There's roasted. That was all of them in there. Check that. No, that. There's all of them.
Thanks, Baby Boots.
My niece must be about
We're twins.
with the boots.
Oh, they are
the
the
same. Your polka dots are just smaller.
Thanks. Okay. All right.
You see me?
We did pretty good though. Out of 8 buckets. What is that?
no.
Oh my God. What the? What is that?
Cut it in half.
What is
Cut it
that?
in half.
No, we can't kill it.
That's probably a big monarch butterfly.
Oh my God.
Pick it up.
No, I'm not picking it up. You pick it
Yeah,
up.
pick it up. Don't be scared.
No, I don't want to pick that up.
You pick it up. Girl, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Why is it heavy? Let me see.
Let me see.
That's weird.
It won't focus. Hold on. Let me see. Oh my God.
You holding on for dear life. Go back in there.
Ew.
Come on, bro.
Okay. All right. I'll be right back, y'all. But you know, hold on. Let me just close this out. How you feel about your harvest, Mr. Boots?
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Okay. For 8 buckets. How many seed potatoes did you put in each bucket?
Some of them 2, some of them 3.
Okay.
We got the mashed potatoes. We got the roasted potatoes and the french fries. Those are french fries, the darker ones.
The dark ones are French fries.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because they dark.
No, because they're rusted. Or what is it called?
I think we did good. The next round, I really want to do red potatoes.
Okay.
Red? We eat more red than anything else. Teamwork. I'm sweating.
Come on, let's wrap it up.
All right. I got to wrap it up, y'all.
Yes, Mom.
See y'all soon.